Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change Shopify website theme without losing content. So let's get started. First thing first, before making any changes, it's crucial to back up your current theme. This ensures that you have a copy of your existing setup in case anything goes wrong. Next, head over to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the theme section. Browse through Shopify's theme store or use a third-party provider to find a new theme that suits your needs. Once you have selected a new theme, preview it to see how it looks like with your new content. This step allows you to visualize any potential changes before committing to the switch. Customize the new theme to match your branding and preferences. After customizing, go ahead and install the new theme. Shopify will automatically apply the new theme to your store while preserving your existing content, such as products, collections, and pages. Lastly, review your website thoroughly to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to settings, layouts, or content to optimize the new theme. And there you have it. Changing your Shopify website theme is a straightforward process that allows you to refresh your site's look without losing any important content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.